Lutron dimmers can be easily installed in under 15 minutes and require only a screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a piece of electrical tape. First, turn the power off at the breaker. Double-check to make sure the power is off. If you're installing this dimmer with other devices, break off the fins on the side where there's an adjacent dimmer or switch. We're going to start with installing the dimmer in a single pole location. Then we will install the dimmer with a three-way wiring solution. Lastly, we'll show you how to adjust the dimming range. First, remove your existing switch. If two wires are attached to the same screw, make sure they remain connected together on the new dimmer. Connect the ground wire, typically a bare copper wire, to the green wire on the dimmer. Then connect one of the two wires from your wall to the black wire on your new dimmer. Connect the remaining wire from the wall to the solid red wire on your new dimmer and cap the remaining red striped wire. Mount the dimmer in the wall. Then turn the power back on at the breaker and check that the dimmer turns the lights on and off. If you have two switches that control this light, you should have 3 wires plus a ground connected to your old switch. Take a piece of electrical tape and tag the wire connected to the different colored screw of the existing switch. This is typically a black wire. Then remove your existing switch. Connect the ground wire, typically a bare copper wire, to the green wire on the dimmer. Connect the tagged wire to the black wire on your Dalia dimmer. Then connect the remaining 2 wires individually to the 2 red wires on the dimmer. These are interchangeable here, so it will not matter which wire from the wall connects to each red wire. Then turn the power back on at the breaker and check that the dimmer turns the lights on and off. Now that you've installed the dimmer, adjust the dimming range lever to reduce any bulb flickering at the low end of the dimmer range. Push in the knob to turn the lights on and turn it counterclockwise as far as it will go to the dimmest level. If the lights are flickering, adjust the blue lever until they stop. Turn the lights off and then on again. If all the bulbs don't turn on or are flickering, repeat the previous steps and readjust the lever. Once you've set the low-end trim, remove the knob, then add the Lutron screwless wall plate. Replace the knob, and that's it.